Thanks for watching. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair a new remote with the wireless power interrupter for your car top LED sign. So the way how this remote works for the car tops is you push the button there and it opens the circuit. You push the button again and it closes the circuit for that car top. So in order to reprogram this, what we're going to do, first thing is we're going to open the transmitter right there. And depending on when you purchased it, you may have some silicone on top of yours. So if you do, I'll put a diagram so that way you can see the position of the buttons. Once you've identified the position of the button, you just want to remove some of that silicone from around the button. And also there's going to be a little light above. You want to remove a little bit of silicone from there as well so that you can see the light bleeding through. And to demonstrate this, I'm just going to go ahead and push the button. And you can see that little green light blinking there, right? So that's where that light is. That tells us that the circuit is open. We'll go ahead and push it again. That tells us that the circuit is closed. And if we were to do the same thing while using the remote, you'll see we just opened that circuit. And then now we just close that circuit. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is to clear the code. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. We're clearing that code. Then we're going to push the button one more time. Now we're going to push the button on the remote. Then we're going to push the button here once more. And then finally we're going to push and hold the button until the light flashes 3 times. Alright, there we go. After you get those 3 flashes, then we'll go ahead and click it. Now you can see circuit open, click it, circuit closed. And that's how you program the remote. You'll want to add some silicone back in to make sure that this is waterproof. And then we can go ahead and put our cover back on. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 866-343-4011.